Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elsa Safitri. I will explain about compounds, type of compounds. Before it, open your book page 99 about the compounds. A is about type of compound. What is compound? Compounding is the process of combining two words or morpheme to create a new word, and commonly is a noun, a verb or adjective. And compound are written sometimes as a one word, like sunglasses, sun and glass, and sometimes as two words, like life-threatening, and sometimes as two separate words, like football stadium. Next, and types of compounds are recognized in English is synthetic compounds and primary compound. Synthetic compound is whose second member is derived with affix, with verbal affix like in, er, and at in the end of the word. The example like breathtaking, watchmaker, long tail, and minute. And breathtaking, the word there are two words, breath and take, but and the word take add with in the end of the word, so being a breathtaking. And for primary compounds, its which includes all other types, like two nouns, two adjective or noun and an adjective. And in the type of compounds, there is endocentric compounds and exocentric compounds. What is endocentric compounds? Endocentric compound is have a head in English, the right member which give the basic meaning of the compound as a whole. The example is mailman, man who deliver the mail. And exotic compounds is notated in this way. The example like red cap, push up, and sweetheart. And then what's the difference about endocentric compound and exocentric compound? The difference is when in the endocentric compound we can guess the meaning based on the two words, based on the original word like male and man. The basic meaning we can know that male and man, or example that man who deliver the mail. But in exocentric compound like the red cap, push up, or sweetheart, we can found a basic meaning from the word, like a red cap. What is red cap? It is the cap with color red. Argument structure and feature percolation. Argument structure as the concept to understood in connection with verb. And argument structure, there is a intransitive and transitive verb. Intransitive verb is an action verb with no direct object. The example like the baby was crying and we took for hours. There is a direct object after the verb. And then transitive verb like an action verb with a direct object. Like example like she love animals. Animal is a direct object of loves. And in argument structure, there is external argument and internal argument. What is? External argument at most one argument of a verb which, if present, the function as a subject. In future percolation is a set of four mechanisms originally proposed in Liber 1980 that copy the property of word to denote that immediately dominate them. Liber assumed that morphemes are inserted into label, unlabeled three, and thus three are then labeled by means of the following. There is four convention. First is convention 1. Convention 1 is all features of a stem morpheme, including category feature percolate to the first known branching node dominating that morpheme. Look at the example. Now, there is a tree structure about derivation. Noun derivation. We know that derivation is a noun. And then action is down action. Action is a noun and derive being a verb. And B is convention. All features of an affix morpheme, including category feature, percolate to the first branching node dominating that morpheme. Look at the example is derivation, verb, derivation is noun, action is noun, and derive is verb. Convention 2, if a branching node fails to obtain feature by convention 2, feature from the next lowest labeled node percolate up to unlabeled branching node. Look at the example is counter. Counter is not have a category features of its own, and example is a noun. So, because the counter don't have a feature category, so the counter example when say being a one word being a noun. But when the counter and with attack is a verb, so the counter attack is a verb. But when the counter plus productive with an adjective, the result of counterproductive is adjective. In convention 4, if to stem from a compound features from the right hand stem percolate up to the branching node dominating the stem.